At Tip, we like to do things our way. No fluff, no fuss. Just rolling our sleeves, getting it done and keeping it down to earth. Definitely no corporate robots or office minions here. Just awesome humans making magic happen. We're your regular crew who genuinely care about each other, our customers, and the community. And yes, safety is our golden rule, like don't run with scissors level serious. Here's the deal. We believe in putting in the effort, having a laugh, being ourselves, loving and rocking what we do. Because let's face it, life's too short for boring jobs. No 2 days are ever the same. But that's part of the fun. We team up, tackle whatever comes our way, and nothing beats seeing a customer leave with a smile bigger than their to-do list. We give you space to do what you love. Inclusivity? Check. Flexibility? You bet. Security? Absolutely. We're like your dependable mate who always has your back and a backup plan. We take life head-on like pros, or at least we try our best. Pushing yourself takes guts, but here's the thing, you'll never do it solo. We're all in this together, cheering each other on like it's the finals of the World Cup. Let's make it happen. If you feel our vibe, then you're one of us. It's simple. It's how we roll.